My name is Ruchi Upadhyay. I'm the Technical Marketing Manager at STMicroelectronics. I'm a part of the imaging division. Let's see. All right. So imaging, what does imaging mean for ST? So we segment our technologies into 4 domains. Number 1 is the time-of-flight technology. Some of you may already know this. Time-of-flight, these are your ranging device. We have depth sensing solution as well. What ST does is uniquely, this depth is achieved not using 2 cameras. It's done using a single chip. So that's one technology. Third is ambient light sensors. So from the name itself, helps you detect ambient light present in the room. And then the most importantly, and what I'm here for today, is to talk to you about global shutter image sensors. So I'm sure in this conference, you guys had a lot of talks on the software side and AI and machine learning. But before all of that, you need the right hardware to start. So I'm here talking to you about, we talk about computer vision. We're trying to get you the best eyes possible so you can have the best image output, and then you can deploy all your AI and machine learning on top of that. So today's focus would be global shutter cameras. If you guys come from a camera background, there are 2 types. There is a rolling shutter camera and a global shutter camera. ST decided to focus only on the global shutter. It's because we have developed a lot of IP in helping better our performance, and also that's where I would say the market is moving towards. You need a global shutter camera when there's a lot of, if your scene is not static, you want to use a global shutter camera because it helps you mitigate for that.